Friends, now I am going to explain a very unique features of this video switcher is called sub effect. Very unique features by which you can mosaic, you can put mosaic effect, or it may be defocus effect in your incoming video signals on live. Suppose a source is coming from any outdoor and its content blurs, so it is not advisable to show the blur directly to your audience. In this case, you need to defocus the blur or mosaic the blur. So if this kind of requirement is appear, don't need to be worried, because there is a very unique feature, it's called sub effect. Let's check it. So menu, and there is a option sub effect. You can see in my display that sub effect menu has been opened. There are two channels. One is for defocus and one channel is for mosaic. So at a time you can add effect two channel. Suppose in channel 1, input signal 1, okay, I want it to defocus. So go to the page down, defocus. Here is the value. I done it randomly. Okay, mosaic. Now go to the channel 2 for another signal. Suppose input 2. Okay, done. So input 1 and input 2. Here you can see in my multi-view, input 1 and input 2 both are normal input, but I have already applied the effect mosaic, defocus, etc. We can't see it. So for that we have to assign sub effect in my panel button. So how can I do that? So for that, have to go setup and then panel, then bus assign. Suppose I want to insert this effect button 9 and 10. Button 9 and 10. Button 9 signal should be sub effect 1. Effect 1. And button 10 I will assign effect 2. Effect 2. So now if I press, you can see in my PGM, everything is okay. In PGM, cam 1 is right now. Okay, but if I press button 9, then look at my PGM. It's a mosaic. If I press button 10, my second source will be displayed with defocus or mosaic, like that. So in this way, you can defocus or mosaic. There are so many colors you can add to your incoming video sources in live. Your input video sources will not affect. Your input video sources will be just same before, just same, not affect. If I press input 1, then the direct video is here. If I press input 2, then clean video is here. But if I press 9, then the input 1 with effect. If I press 10, then input 2 with effect, sub effect. So in this way you can add effects in your incoming video signal at the time maximum number of 2.